Hello, welcome to another BCB video. First you are going to draw these two little circles. Then you are going to take your white thread, pull it through the needle and make knot on one side of the thread. Then you are going to pull through the little circle and up to the bigger circle, then down, then you are going to do again from the little circle left to the big circle and right. And then you are going to add two more lines in each of these four spaces. 1, 2, and do the same in the rest of 3 spaces. When you are finished, you are going to turn your work and then just make a few knots so that you secure the flower. And then you are going to take your yellow thread, pull it through the needle, and again make a knot on one side of the thread. You are going to pull your thread through the center of the flower. Then you are going to take your thread, wrap it around your needle 2 times, and just again pull it through the back part. Then you are going to make a few knots so that you secure the center part of the flower and cut the extra pieces. And here is your final product. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!